Hey travelers! Welcome back to Kysersis, your go-to guide for smart, fast, and unforgettable adventures. Today we're tackling a big question. How do you plan the perfect trip in under an hour? Sound impossible? Stick with me. We're breaking it down step by step so you can plan with confidence. Fast. Alright, set your timer. We're going to break this hour into 6 10-minute sprints. Each one is a key part of planning your trip. First up, your destination. In the first 10 minutes, ask yourself, what kind of trip do I want? City escape, nature retreat, beach chill, adventure thrill? If you're not sure, go to Google Flights Explore map, Skyscanner, and Nomad list, and type in your departure city. Let the deals inspire you. Choose a destination that fits your vibe and budget. Next 10 minutes, book your flights. Once you've picked a destination, use Google Flights or Skyscanner to compare prices. Be flexible with dates if you can. Midweek flights are usually cheaper. If it's a short trip, go carry-on only to save money and time. Got points or miles? This is the time to cash them in. Third sprint, find your stay. Use Booking.com, Airbnb, or Google Hotels. Sort by price, rating, and location. Prioritize places close to transit, walkable neighborhoods, or major attractions. Look for free cancellation in case your plans change. Skim reviews and check photos. Don't overthink it. If it hits your checklist, lock it in. Fourth sprint, build a rough itinerary. You don't need a minute-by-minute plan, but sketch out a few anchor activities. What are the must-dos, can't-miss spots, or bucket list experiences at your destination? Use Google Maps to drop pins on key locations. Create a custom list. This also helps you group activities by area to avoid zigzagging all over town. Fifth sprint, food and culture. Search best local dishes in your destination and jot down what to try. Then look up top-rated restaurants, cafes, or street food markets nearby your stay or attractions. Add a couple of can't-miss places, but leave room for spontaneous finds. Bonus tip, follow local food bloggers or TikTokers for real-time recs. Final 10 minutes, logistics. Look up how to get from the airport to your hotel. Check if you need a SIM card or eSIM, plug adapter, or transit pass. Download offline maps. Make sure that your passport's valid. If needed, grab travel insurance. Drop all the confirmations into a folder on your phone or email. Boom, you're done. That's it, trip planned in under an hour. Now let's break it down with a few bonus hacks that'll take you from efficient to expert. Hack 1. Use a trip planning app like Wanderlog or TripIt. They auto-organize your reservations and maps, and some even let you collaborate with friends. Hack 2. Don't overschedule. The perfect trip has room for both structure and spontaneity. Plan 1 to 2 key things per day. The rest, explore, relax, get lost in the best way. Hack 3. Pick one theme. Is it a food trip, a hiking getaway, a photography adventure? Focusing your energy gives your trip a purpose and makes choosing activities easier. Hack 4. Check local events. Festivals, markets, or seasonal activities can totally change the vibe of your trip. A 30-second Google search can unlock a whole new experience. Hack 5. Set a daily budget. Even just a rough number helps you stay on track. Factor in meals, transport, activities, and shopping. This helps you splurge intentionally instead of accidentally. Hack 6. Learn a few local phrases. Hello, thank you, how much? These go a long way. Google Translate or Duolingo can help in a flash. Hack 7. Prep your travel wallet. Passport, credit card, health insurance info, emergency contacts. Keep a digital and physical copy. It's boring, but it's smart. Now let's say you've got even less than an hour. You only have 30 minutes? Here's the express version. First 10 minutes, pick your destination and find a flight deal. Don't hesitate. Trust your gut. Next 10, book a stay that checks your essentials. Clean, close, and rated at least 8/10. Last 10, Find 3 things to do and 2 things to eat. That's your skeleton itinerary. Screenshot confirmations and you're good to go. Even with 30 minutes, you can plan something amazing. The key is momentum. Don't get stuck second-guessing every detail. Need help picking a destination on the fly? Here's a quick list based on trip type. Beach escape? Look at Tulum, Bali, Lisbon, or the Amalfi Coast. Foodie trip? Tokyo, Barcelona, Bangkok, or New Orleans. Nature retreat? Patagonia, Banff, Iceland, or the Pacific Northwest. City vibe? London, Seoul, Buenos Aires, or New York. Want a totally random pick? Go to a random coordinates generator and search what's nearby. Some of the best adventures start on impulse. Remember, the perfect trip isn't about checking off every site. It's about the energy you bring to it. A well-planned trip gives you the confidence to let go and live in the moment. So next time you're feeling stuck or spontaneous, set a timer, follow this plan, and book that trip. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a full-on global trek, you now know how to pull it off in under 60 minutes. If this video helped you out, hit that like button, share it with your spontaneous travel crew. And don't forget to subscribe to Kysersis for more quick and powerful travel tips. Until next time, stay curious, stay mobile, and remember, the world is waiting. Let's go!